So in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how I install a rear rack for my Brompton. So I purchased a rack from Amazon for $23.99, and I decided to add a rear rack for my Bromptons because I just replaced them. I replaced my tires from the standard Schwalbe Marathon to Victoria Townie. But one thing I noticed is the bike is not balanced. Every time I fold it, it's like tilting to the right. So I guess the best way to keep it balanced is to add a rack. So this is the new tire I purchased. It's the Victoria Townie, same size as the Schwalbe Marathon. But the only thing I notice is the thickness. You see the left side, that's the Marathon, that's the Schwalbe Marathon, and on the right, it's the Victoria Townie. It's way much thicker. Well, my Brompton used to have a fender, but when I decided to replace it with the Victoria Townie, I noticed that it's too thick. So every time I use it, you can hear that the tires is hitting my fenders. Now to set up everything before I have to put up my bike hand, but you see, I put cloth at least to protect the surface of the body of the Brompton. And these are the tools I used to install the rack. Well, first we have to remove the stopper of the Brompton. After removing the stopper, I used my 10mm open wrench to remove the reflector. Now I'm going to attach the rack, starting from the top, then attach screws on both sides. Finally, I will install the easy wheels for the rack using my hex Allen key screwdriver number 4. I removed the original reflector because I'm planning to replace it to a rear saddle reflector. I hope this video helps you on how to install a rear rack Q-type for Bromptons. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe to the Brompton channel.